Get ready, homeschoolers, for a voyage into the magical Mindful Meadow, where an observant rabbit by the name of Milo discovers the mysteries of mindfulness. Join us for a tale that is both soothing like a pleasant wind and thrilling like a secret adventure waiting to be found. In a peaceful meadow nestled at the edge of a whispering forest lived a curious rabbit named Milo. Milo had the most expressive eyes, full of wonder and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. He was different from the other rabbits. His heart yearned for something beyond the ordinary. Milo decided to go on an excursion one sunny morning as the sun spread a soft golden glow over the field. He skipped across the luscious fields, his fluffy tail wagging like a curious white flag. Where was he going? The enchanted, mindful meadow that the most elder animals had told him about. As Milo entered the meadow, a remarkable transformation occurred. The flowers came to life, swaying and dancing in a graceful symphony of colors. Birds chirped sweet melodies while the breeze whispered soothing secrets. The very air seemed alive with serenity, and Milo knew he had found a place of enchantment. There were a myriad of flowers in the mindful meadow. They were able to communicate not only with words but also with a language that spoke directly to the soul. Milo was greeted by the flowers, and he immediately connected with their calming influence. They taught him how to breathe deeply, a technique that kept them calm, balanced, and centered. Milo listened attentively as the flowers demonstrated deep breathing. "Inhale slowly through your nose," they whispered, "and feel the fragrant air fill your lungs. Exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any worries and stress with each breath." Milo imitated their motions, and as he breathed deeply, a sense of peace washed over him. Milo kept moving through the meadow as he became more composed and laser-focused. He met animals who were also practicing mindfulness along the route. A family of deer practiced thankfulness by talking about the things they liked about the meadow and one another, while a group of squirrels pondered beneath an old wise tree. Milo spent hours exploring the mindful meadow, learning valuable lessons from the creatures and the vibrant flowers. He realized that mindfulness wasn't just about focusing the mind, it was about being present, appreciating the beauty around you, and finding inner peace. As the sun began to dip below the horizon, Milo returned to his meadow on the edge of the whispering forest. But he carried with him the wisdom of the mindful meadow. He shared what he had learned with his fellow rabbits and other animals, introducing them to the practice of mindfulness. The meadow, which had before been a scene of common beauty, had now been transformed into a serene refuge for mindfulness. The animals gathered every day to engage in deep breathing, meditation, and acts of appreciation in order to establish inner peace and harmony with one another. As a result, the meadow at the edge of the whispering forest developed into a place where all species, not just curious bunnies like Milo, could go to learn the value of mindfulness, to be in the moment, and to embrace the peace that was already inside of them. In this way, Milo and the mindful meadow taught all who visited the importance of slowing down, appreciating the world around them, and finding the calm and focus that lie within. And, in the soft light of the meadow, their hearts were forever touched by the magic of mindfulness. Today, we learned a magical lesson from Milo and the mindful meadow. Just like Milo, we can all discover the power of calmness and mindfulness in our own lives. Remember, it's okay to take a moment each day to breathe deeply and be present, just like the flowers and animals in the meadow. Calmness can be your superpower, helping you focus, find peace within, and appreciate the world around you. The mindful meadow reminds us that even in the busyness of life, we can find moments of tranquility and serenity.